Today I will teach you how to multiply decimals by 10, 100 and thousands. So we see the decimal number. If we multiply by 10, then what we are going to do? We are going to move the decimal point from one place to the right. As we are multiplying by 10 and the multiplier has only one zero. See, by 10, so it has 1 0. So we will move the decimal point to the right by one place. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 442.17. The multiplier has only 1 0. So we shift to the right one place. Okay. Now in the next one, see, 4.217 multiplied by 100. So the multiplier has two zeros. How many zeros? Two zeros. So what we are going to do? We are going to shift the decimal point of this decimal number 4.217. We will move the decimal point two places to the right. See, one place, two place. Okay. How many places we are going to move? Two places. So the answer will be 42.1.7. Okay. So the answer, see, we move the decimal point two places. Now we see the third one, 4.217 multiplied by thousands. You see the multiplier has how many zeros? Three zeros. So what we are going to do? We are going to move the decimal point to the right three places. So 1, let's count 1, 2 and 3. If we put the point over here, no meaning. So we won't give the decimal point because after that there is no numbers given. So we will write the answer as 4,217. Is this clear? See the three sums what we solved today. See, with the same decimal number, 4.217 multiplied by 10, 4.217 multiplied by 100, 4.217 multiplied by thousands. See, in case of 10, when we multiply by 10, we get the answer as, we get the product 42.17. When we multiply 4.217 multiplied by 100, we get 421.7. And when we multiply the same number 4.217 multiplied by 1000, there is no decimal point. We get the product as 4217. So you can see how the answer is changing. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.